Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install previous Intel graphics drivers and downgrade the older Intel driver version. To install a previous version of Intel graphics drivers and downgrade to an older version, you'll need to follow these general steps. First, you need to download the previous driver version. You need to visit to the Intel Download Center, go to the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section, type down Intel download on this option, and from here what you have to do is go to the graphics. Simply download the graphics you prefer and uninstall the current driver. In order to uninstall the current drivers, press the Windows plus X at the same time, and after that select the device manager from here. And we could see the display adapter right over here. Tap on that. Go to the Intel Iris Xe graphics. As it says, it is working properly. Go to the drivers and uninstall this option. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.